around the corner, and if you haven't found a costume yet, don't panic because we've got the one and only Johnathan Miller here with some easy DIY ideas. And before we get to this masterpiece that you've put together here, I want you to kind of start with the first idea. I really love this one.
So when you go to your closet, this is the best thing in the world.
Okay.
Think about what you have before you run out and buy something, before you order it offline. You may have something in your closet that would already work.
Okay.
So now, Candice, if I just said, you know, your husband comes home, says, we've got a party tonight.
Ooh.
What can you go as?
That does happen because I always wait till the last. Okay, so what do I have in my house? I know we have a little black dress. You know, I've got all the color dresses right now from News. So yeah, a little something like that.
And last year, I think we used one of your little black dresses and we gave you the holiday light. Breakfast at Tiffany's look. So this year I was thinking about you and your kids, but I was like, you know, what is the party that if she has 2 events that night, she's got to go trick-or-treating and she has to go.
I love more bang for my buck. Talk to me, Johnathan.
I was like, I know she's got a bright blue dress in there that's kind of the color of Cookie Monster.
Ooh, okay, let's see. Look
and
at
there
it.
she is.
I love it. That is totally doable. I definitely have a bright blue dress, but this one is fabulous, honey. And can we drop the super because we got to see the clutch, okay? A cookie clutch.
So see, you are Cookie Monster. You can get those little glasses off of Google, pop them up on your head like your sunglasses would be, and you are set to go. And you're looking adult, not just like the mom.
Right.
Which, you know, we've got you covered in that aspect too. But you can do a simple blue dress. You can do a silk dress. But then you can also dress the kids up. This is the easiest part.
Yes.
I just made you 2 outfits for one night.
You did, and look at those smiles. I just want to be clear; those are not actually my children, because you know some.
No, we don't show those, but
yes.
like, they have not made their debut yet. But so I was like, just in case, we'll give the ideas though.
But they're pretty close. That's cute. I love it. So we've got a little cookie and the milk, and I could eat them both up because they are so sweet.
And see, you can take them trick or treating. People will get the costumes, and then you go home. Then you've got your outfit already ready. You're not having to rush and change twice, so you get to keep a little bit of sanity, which as I know is paramount for you moms.
Yes, because time is precious, especially Johnathan, you're nailing it. I love that idea, and if I can figure this out by this year, that is what I will be. But if not, I have until next year to find that dress, because that dress was fabulous. I liked that one.
See, and you know, so then I kept thinking, I was like, what else in our wardrobes can we use? So then I kind of was like, how easy can this be? So if we can see the next one.
Yeah, drum roll.
I've got Andrew here's paint swatch. All you need is a piece of poster board and 3 paint colors.
Yes.
Throw on a painter's outfit looking thing, and you don't even really have to have that. You just put the 2 pieces of poster board together.
Yeah.
Put some straps on it. You're literally instant costume.
My guy's looking pretty good too, right?
I mean, you know.
Something about the overalls. All right, Freak, we see you.
I'm like, he's working that paint swatch right there.
I love it. Okay, so what else do we have if we can find?
Now, here we got Henry as the news flash. All you need is some newspaper for this. Literally, and then you just tape or glue it onto your outfit. Now, I made his a little bit more refined.
Yeah.
But you just need that in a trench coat.
Okay.
Then you've got the new, you're wearing the news, and then you can just flash, and you're good. And it's hilarious.
Johnathan, I love it. Now, this is doable too. I wish
exactly,
everyone was here to see himself.
100% doable, because you just take the newspapers, you just attach them to whatever you're wearing, and it does not have to be as perfect, but he always has his shirt and tie on, so I made sure he was coordinated properly.
Yes.
But you know, literally, you just have that as your outfit underneath. You put it to your jeans, you're set.
Okay.
Now, if you want to get really fancy, you can fabric glue all this to it and make a whole outfit.
Make it a whole thing.
And,
I mean, it depends.
It really depends on how long you're going to be wearing it and that sort of thing.
And that trench coat is just sealing the deal. Mwah, chef's kiss. Okay, exactly. And you've got one more for us? Or two more.
Now we have Miss Destiny here as our chill pill.
Yes.
So pink skirt, white top. All you need are some felt letters that you can get off Amazon or on Michael's. Literally Michael's for $20. I already priced it out for you. And then you just iron them right on. Then you're a chill pill.
I love it.
So you can still be cute. You still got a quick outfit for an instant thing.
Very easy.
And then I have to say, the next one is one of my favorites.
Me too, because she killed it. Look at it.
It's Rachel as Wednesday Addams here, and it's simple because, again, you have all these dresses. She just needs a black dress, a white collar, braided hair.
Yes.
You know, I'm like, you know, she is blonde, but now we would have to invest probably a little bit in a wig here for her, but still, it shows that bone structure, those cheeks, she can pull it off.
Yes,
easily.
she can. She certainly can. We love braids. So these are all very quick and easy ideas. We've got 30 seconds left, Johnathan. Let's talk about this beauty
here. If you need one really, really quick, pull out the Christmas paper. We all have Christmas paper we haven't used, and you simply, literally put your outfit on underneath it, wrap yourself up, tie it with a bow, accessorize with things you have. You have an instant outfit, and you're a present. You're a Christmas Christmas present.
Because, okay, you are a present, honey. Know your worth.
At
now,
that
look.
point. So nobody can say a word.
Okay, and look, he didn't make this basic, okay? You can cut out a nice little neckline. Let's cinch that waist, ladies, okay?
Cinched, and she's got a little slit up the side. So.
She is ready to go. So look, if you want the full list of all of these DIY Halloween costumes that you can make from your closet or whatever your storage, wherever you need, head over to his website, the QR code right there on your screen. We'll be back with more 12 About Town today.